Hi, Carl Winkler here at Lectrosonics. Normally, we're busy designing and building high-tech wireless devices like this miniature transmitter used for TV and film production and Broadway musicals, and this digital in-ear receiver used by professional touring artists. Like a lot of pro audio companies, we have several musicians among our employees. One of the things we've run into over the years is the problem of the loose music stand. I can't tell you how many times I've arrived at a rehearsal or a gig and the stand needs tightening before it can be used. And it isn't always practical to have a couple of adjustable or socket wrenches in the gig bag at all times. Those tools are great, but they're just too big and heavy. Inspired by the tools cyclists carry with them for flat tires and mechanical adjustments, we set about to make a wrench that would be useful for tightening the most common music stands, but be light and small enough to be carried everywhere. Some adjustments take 2 wrenches, so we wanted these to be nearly flat so that even 2 of them together wouldn't be bulky. The result is the StandWrench, made in our Rio Rancho, New Mexico, USA factory from precision laser cut grade T304 low carbon 14 gauge cold rolled stainless steel with high corrosion resistance. Let me show you how it's used. If the stand base is loose, we'll use one of the box ends. The 9/16 inch size is for the base screw on the older pre-1995 Manhasset stands. The other end, 17 millimeters, is for the current version. Usually just a partial turn, hand tightened, will do the trick. For the slotted screw, where the top clamps to the base, older stands require a large slot type screwdriver and then a wrench on the nut. This is where you might want 2 of these, one providing the stop for the 7/16 inch nut and the other used as a screwdriver. The current stand types have a captured nut and only require the screwdriver. Then for the tilt friction adjustment, usually 2 wrenches are required, one on either side using the 1/2 inch size. Most often, only a partial turn is required to either slightly tighten or loosen the tension and achieve the desired result. When finished, the wrench or wrenches can simply slip back into the case or gig bag. By the way, if you're about to assemble a whole bunch of these music stands for the first time, we recommend using a socket wrench, because ours is mainly designed to be light and portable. I'm Carl Winkler at Lectrosonics. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next gig is a great one.